Hi, this puzzle is taken from enthralling Sudoku and it is test solved by Kota Morinishi. His timing is 2 minutes and 5 seconds. So let's give it a try. Okay, first see this sixth box. In the sixth box, because of these two 8s, we can simply block these cells for 8, and the only possible place for 8 is this. Now in the last box, because of these 7s and these 4s, we can block these cells for 4 and 7. Now here we will get the pair 4 7 pair. This is 4 7 pair, and 9, because of this 9 we cannot place 9 in these two cells, so we will place 9 in these cells. So here we can do the pencil marking for 9. Alright, now this second box, in the second box we cannot place 1 because of these ones. We cannot place 1 in these two cells, so either 1 will come in this cell or this cell. So because of these ones, we can block these cells for 1. 1 will come in either of these two cells, and now in the last box we can do the pencil marking for 1. So again here we got the 1 9 pair, and now in this last box only two numbers is left, that is 5 and 6, and because of this 5 we cannot place 5 in this, so this is 5 and this is 6. Now check in the 7th row. 7th row only 3 numbers are left, that is 1 3 and 8, and because of these ones we cannot place 1 in these two cells, so 1 will come here, and in these two cells we got 3 8 pair. Alright, let's try to do all the pencil markings. And if this is 4, any of these two cells will be 4, and this is 4, we can block these cells for 4. This must be 4. Now because of these two 5s we can block these two cells for 5. This must be 5. Alright, see this third box. In this third box we cannot write 2 in these two cells, and because of this 7 we cannot write 7 in these two cells, and also we can block these two cells for 2 7. So here we got 2 7 pair. And if this is 2 7, the only possible place of 5 is this, and now in the last column only one number is left, that is 3. Alright, let's do all the pencil marking. Here we got 1 4 pair, 2 7, 2 3 and 8. Alright, see this row 3, only 3 numbers are left, that is 3, 8 and 9. So in this, because of this cell we cannot place 3, so either 8 or 9. This must be 3, 8, 9. Here we got the 3, 8, 9 triplet. 3, 8, 9. Let's find out some more clues. Okay, now see the first box. This first box. Because of these 2's, we can simply block these cells for 2, and the only possible place for 2 is this. Alright. Okay. Now six in the first box. 4, 6, 8 and 9. 4, 6, 8 and 9. Okay, now the first column. In the first column only 3 numbers are left, that is 3, 6 and 8. 3, 6 and 8. So in this cell we cannot place 3 and 8, so this must be 6. And if this is 6, let's continue with 6. We can place 6 here and 4 in this cell. Now we got 3, 3, 8 pair in these two cells. 3, 8, 3, 8. And this was 6. Now if this is 3, 8, so the only place for 4 is this. Now let's continue with this 4. We can simply block these cells for 4. This must be 4. Now fifth box, we can block these cells for 4 because of these 4's, and we cannot write 4 in this cell, so this must be 4. Now continue with the classic rule. Only 2 numbers are left in the second row, that is 7 and 6. 6 and 7. So because of this 7 we cannot place 7 in this cell, so this is 7, 6. Now this is 7, 7. Now again in box 5, because of these two 5's, we cannot place 5 in these cells, so 5 will come in this, 5 will come in this cell. Now it's easy. Now let's okay, now still okay, this is 2, only single. In this fifth row only 2 numbers are left, 2 and 9, and because of this 2 we cannot place 2 in this cell, so this must be 2. Here it is 9. Okay, now this can't be 2 because of this 2, and this can't be 2, so this is 2, No, this is 2, 2. Again we got in the box number 5, 4, 8, 9 pair. Now see, then box number 5, because of this 6 we cannot place 6 in these two cells, so this is 6. This is 6, 9, 1, and if this is 1 we can eliminate 1 from this cell. This is 1, 4, and now this is 4, we can eliminate 4 from this cell. This is 4, 7. Now 7, 2. Only one number is left, that is 3. Now 3. No. We missed something. Okay, till here it was correct. Now this is 9, 1 and 3. This is 3, 8, 8, 9. Now eliminate 9 from this cell. This is 8. Now 1, 4, 4, 7. Eliminate 7 from this cell. This is 7, 2. Because of this 9, we can block these cells for 9. So 9 will come in either of these two cells. So if this is 9, we can eliminate 9 from this cell. So this is 9, this is 1. Now if this is 1, 1 and 1. Now only two numbers are left in the first box, that is 3 and 9, and 9 we cannot place in this cell. So this is 3, 9, this is 3. Now if this is 3, we can eliminate 3 from here. This is 8, 8, 9, 9, 6, 3, 3, 8, and now puzzle is done. Thank you.